Hi everyone, welcome to High Valley Couponer. I am here with the Kroger app review, and it is a 5X digital event. I can't get too enthusiastic about these because one, I personally don't think they're very good prices. Two, I know it's going to be 2 weeks of people arguing with me, acting like I'm wrong and that I'm telling you to do something wrong because I tell you can use a store coupon with these manufacturer coupons. If you don't agree with me, please don't comment because I went to corporate and they told me it was 100% fine to stack a store coupon with a manufacturer coupon. I literally did a video showing you an email from corporate. If you click the line in the top right corner or it's in the description box, it's called Let's Chat About 5X Digital Coupons. I literally address every single question I've ever received about 5X Digitals. So before you go commenting, go watch that video. And if you still don't agree with me, then just don't do the deals. You know, I go off what corporates told me. I don't just make stuff up. I know some lady was like, you really should be doing your research before you post these videos because, like, I went to the store and turns out you couldn't do this. Okay, it is not my fault that your store made up whatever rule they wanted to make up. I went to corporate, I did my homework, and that is what I've told you guys for the last 2 years. I've shared this for the last 2 years about stacking. And I'm not the first one I've seen do this. There are many other people who have said you can do this per their own experiences with corporate. So please, I just ask, don't come on here and get mad at me and say, like, you shouldn't do this, blah, blah, blah. It is permitted by corporate, and that's what I've went off of. And 90% of the time at my store, they've not cared. So, I don't know. I hate this sale, but that's okay. We're just gonna do it anyways. Alright, so let's just dive right into this ad. I'm really loving the mega sale. I wish we were having more mega sales. I love mega sales. But there are a couple good deals in here. So first up, we have $2.97 for the clementines, 88 cents for avocados and mangoes. I'm sorry, this page is really blurry, but the rest of it is not. We have some meat there, $1.79 a pound for chicken breasts. And this is the deal of the day. 10 for 10 for the Kroger peanut butter. We just have a 50-cent off of one digital you can load to your card. So you can get a jar for 50 cents, which is a great price. Really, really great price. So don't pass that up. Yeah, this page is blurry too, but the next one, I promise, it's going to get better. I don't know why my phone did this. Okay, so we have a big 5X digital thing. Again, I'm not excited at all about it, but whatever. Friday, Saturday deals, we just have some family-size Nature Valley bars and cereals for $1.99. We have $6.99 for the chips down there, which is a good deal. And then we have 99 cents for the real name brand Lunchables, who cares? 4 for $8 after the digital coupon, so the prices are after 5X digitals. 4 for $8 for Coke. 99 cents for Kool-Aid Jammers or the Pringles. $5.49 for some Dunkin' Donuts or Folgers coffee. $1.88 for Smart Food popcorn, and then $1.99 for the 12-pack of Pop-Tarts. Again, what's good about that? I just don't get why Kroger thinks that's good. But someone so nicely pointed out once, Kroger's not entitled to give you deals every week. So I was like, ugh, I don't care. But anyways, here we just have buy one, get one free on the swirl bread. That's pretty good. More 5X digital stuff. $9.99 for Tide and Cascade. $4.99 for the big things of Huggies wipes. $5.99 for some Tampax and Always. $4.49 for Olay. Now this is actually kind of good. The Clorox wipes are $1.49 after the 5X digital. We usually have manufacturer coupons for $1 off too. Let me do my research on that, and if, like I said, Wednesday I'll come back and I'll point out any deals. I'll do a deals video as usual. Okay, $3.99 for Tide. That's pretty good because we have $2 manufacturer coupons, and then there's more stuff. And the all will still be buy two, get one free, so that's awesome deal. Now we're running a pet promo. Spend $45, save $15. Whoa, that's a good deal right there. Now, that $45 has to be after manufacturer's coupons, but that's still a really big savings. So, pet items, it's kind of rare to get deals, so I'm thrilled with that. Okay, so here's some more 5X stuff. $1.49 for the Betty Crocker items. We did have $1 off 2 manufacturer coupon. $1.99 for the Velveeta shells and cheese. 99 cents for Kraft barbecue sauce, like big whoop. We just got that for 49 cents on a mega sale. $1.79 for Lay's and Fritos. No. 4 for $5 for Campbell's Chunky or Prego. That's not so bad. $2.99 for Magnum or Edie's Outshine. Those have been $1.99 in our mega sales, so who cares? It's just like, seriously, yes, I'm going to get someone saying, Kroger don't owe you a deal, but when it's been so much cheaper the last couple weeks, it's just a bummer. But that's the principle of couponing, all sales cycle. $2.49 for Hidden Valley, 2 for $8 for some of the packs of cookies, and $7.99 for Bagel Bites. And down here we got $3.99 for bacon. Now 10 for 5 for Yoplait is pretty decent. $16.99 for Red Bull. $5.99 for some Kind bars. Now this is good. 99 cents for the Minute Maid juice. That's a good price. $2.99 for some lunch meat, and there's some random stuff down there. $7.99 for Pampers or Huggies. That's insane. That's ridiculous. 4 for 5 for some baby food, Sprout, I think, and then $1.99 for Colgate toothpaste. I don't get it. Okay, so there's some more 5X items. Yeah, $1.99 for the Quaker cereal. We also have $3.49 for Kraft singles. They're been $1.49. Like right now, they're $1.49 with the digital coupon at Kroger, but sure they're gonna jack it up $2 next week. $3.49 for Breyers and Haagen-Dazs. $1.99 for Blue Diamond milk. 10 for 8 for some Chobani. $3.49 for Powerade. I can't. I'm not impressed. I'm just not. I'm not impressed with this ad. I don't ever want to hate on Kroger because Kroger's really good, but I just don't get this ad. I'm just disappointed with it. It's just not very good. But, so anyways, let's just keep on going. They put the Cascade in there again, which, why on earth? I don't even get it. Shaq's Mix over there is 10 for 10. That's pretty good. 2 for 7 for Totino's items. Okay, this is the only freebie I see. The Hormel Natural Choice things, $1.49 for the Natural Choice snacks. There's $1.50 Ibotta, so you would have that for free. Then the Minute Rice is 99 cents. That's a good deal for the little 2-pack or 4-pack or something of the Ready Rice. That's a good price for that. Nothing else. I just don't like this ad. But we have had really good megas for the last month, so I guess Kroger deserves some time off. So here's just some produce. Nothing that great. Okay, so we do have a Free Friday, which I guess Kroger realized how dumb it was to let go of Free Friday. So Free Friday is back. We're going to have the Chobani Natural, or the, not Chobani Naturals, the Chobani with almond butter will be free after the digital coupon, so that's nice. It's always yogurt, though. Yogurt or granola bars. That's all it ever is. But that's still nice. I like getting free yogurt, free bars and stuff. That's it. That's all I really see that's worth pointing out. So come back Wednesday, though. I'll do my walkthroughs. I'll do my videos. And I hope we find some stuff. Watch this week's Mega Event videos because there's some good deals right now. There's 5 freebies you just don't want to miss. So, yep, that's all that I have. And thank you so much for watching.